Okay, guys, today I want to be talking about how you can exchange cryptocurrencies, right? For those persons who are still having issues using exchange sites to trade one coin for another, this is an easy way to actually exchange one coin for another. Take for instance, you have lots of Bitcoin and you want to exchange it for Ethereum, or you want to exchange it for Dash, or you want to exchange it for Ripple, or you want to exchange it for any other coin, right? Or you want to exchange Ethereum for Bitcoin, or you want to exchange Ripple for Bitcoin, or you want to exchange Dash for Bitcoin. This is an easy and quick way to actually do that and not go through the stress of using exchange site. Using exchange site is basically uh, geared towards people who really want to trade. Okay, so there are some wallets that have this integrated, like the Exodus wallet has this integrated, whereby you can easily, right from Exodus, you can exchange coins for one another. So let's, for instance, we want to exchange no, not the byte. Want to exchange? You can do that anyway. Let's say Dash for Ethereum. So now we have quick and we have precise. All right. The difference between quick and precise is this will go faster and you won't really know the value of what you'll be receiving. Okay. But precise will tell you the value of what you'll be receiving. Okay. But quick is faster than precise. All right. So it depends on you how quick you really want this to go through and all of that. Now you should know that there are always transaction fees from wherever you're sending from. Okay. Now let's say we are using quick. Okay, just click continue. Now here it will tell you to enter your ether address. Remember you want to fund uh, your ether wallet by exchanging Dash for it. Okay, so let's say you are using coin payment. Go to coin payment. You look for ether. Okay, Ethereum. Yeah, this is Ethereum. You say you want to receive. For those who have not created a wallet, just click add new deposit address. So now this will now be your new address. So all you need to do is copy this address, come over to ShapeShift, paste it. Then your refund dash address. This means in case anything goes through, where are they going to send or return your dash to? All right. So all you need to do is go back to your wallet and look for dash. Okay, this dash. Now we are going to say deposit and receive. Okay, because now sorry, now if they are refunding, we will be receiving, right? So this is it. Copy this, um, come back here, paste this, highlight I agree, then say. Now here you see the minimum deposits of dash. Remember you're converting dash to this. Minimum deposit is 0.018 dix. So this is it. Now here the maximum deposit is 4. Now you have a minor fee of 8 0.008 Ethereum. Okay, so that is that. So you now say start transaction. Now on this space, all you need to do now is they will ask you to send dash to this address. Okay, send to this address, so you can send anything you want. Okay, right now is not precise. Okay, so you can send up to this, up to 4.95 dash. All right, so but you must send at least 0.018. Okay, now this is how the quick works. All you need to do is copy this address, copy this address, come over to um, coin payment or whichever address you're using. All right, then dash. In this case, we are send. Okay, and then you have your address you want to send to, right? Then amount of dash. You remember they said point 18, so we say 0.2. Okay, but I'm not going to do that because I don't have dash here. Okay, but I just want to show you the process. Then once you click on request withdraw, um, they will, the transaction will start right here. Once they receive your deposit, they are going to exchange it. All right, and whatever the exchange, okay, after removing the mining fee, of course, you will get your um, left ethereum right in your wallet. Okay, so right now you really know how many ethereum you will be receiving. Okay, so we're going to cancel this and go back. So that's if you want to make use of the quick. Let's say we want to use the precise, say continue. Now precise, how much of um, we are using dash, using dash. Here is our dash. Here is our dash. Okay, so uh, say minimum is 0.09. Okay, so let's say we are sending 0.02 dash. Now, if you send 0.02 dash, this is what you will be receiving. Okay, and this will not be the minus fee. Hope you get it, guys. This will be the minus fee. All right. So now remember, the more you are sending out, the more dash or the more you are exchanging, the lesser you are going to experience transaction fees and all of that. So the same way you have to come over to coin payment or whichever address you are using. Okay, and then you copy the address, copy your address, which is ETA, because that's an ETA is what you're receiving. Okay, copy this, come back here, paste. Okay, and dash refund address, come back here, dash, okay, receive address, that will be the refund address. Copy this, come back here, paste, right? Click on this, right? So now you can see the calculation right here. You are depositing, let's say we want to deposit 0.8 dash. Okay, okay. So this will now be the conversion. Okay, this is what you might be receiving in Ethereum. All right, so you can actually even use a calculator to know what this is in dollars. Okay, so you can go to coin market cap, okay, and use your calculator. If you come to coin market cap, this is what you will see. You see all of these. All right, but you come to tools, come to tools, click on currency converter. So in this case is dash, and we are converting 0.8 dash. Okay, so this 820 US dollars or any other currency. Okay, any other stuff you want to convert to, or let's even say ethereum, if it's right, 6739. So 6739, they've already subtracted the minus fee. Okay, you should notice that the minus fee is already off from this. Okay, so you can see right here. Once that's done, you go to start transaction. Okay, you copy this like we did the last time, and you have 4 minutes, okay, to actually do this. So once you send that amount of dash, 0.8 dash, to this number, you are going to receive, once they receive the deposit from your wallet. Okay, remember your wallet, whichever wallet you are using is going to charge you transaction fees also. Once that is done, they will exchange it and you will receive the equivalent ether. So that is it for ShapeShift, guys. If you have any questions, you can leave it below this video and I'll try my best to respond to them. And please support this channel by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel in order to continue to receive my videos, okay, and receive notifications anytime I upload a new video. All right, guys, have fun.